So today we're going to make popcorn, and not microwave popcorn, old-fashioned kind of popcorn. And I have Riley with me, she's my assistant, and she's never made this kind of popcorn. Right, so here are our ingredients. We're taking organic popcorn. You can buy it from anywhere, but you know, corn is so genetically modified now that we want to use organic. And we'll take just a quarter of a cup or half a cup of corn. And we're going to use an oil. This is olive oil, but you could use coconut oil or most any kind of oil. That's what we're going to put in here. And then we're going to use 3 ingredients afterwards. Right, this is our Premier pink salt. And it's a really special salt that's got lots of not amino acids. It's got lots of trace minerals in it, so it's really good for you. And the other ingredient, this one, is Parmesan cheese. That makes it taste really good. And then the third thing we're going to use is nutritional flakes. This is also from Premier Research Labs, but you could buy it any place. Nutritional flakes are basically vitamin B. So they've got lots of good nutrition and protein and vitamins in them. And these 3 things are going to be what we're going to use instead of butter. And yeah, and it's going to be delicious. So here's how we make our popcorn. Come over with me, my dear. So we have, this is a gas oven. Now here's one of the tricks when you make popcorn. My mama taught me this. So we put a little oil in the bottom of the pan. And then we take about 3 or 4 kernels. You want to take 3 or 4 kernels and just drop them in there. That's good. And then we cover it up. And when the kernels pop, then we're going to put in the rest of the popcorn. Okay? So that takes just a minute. Right. So, and when we're finished with all, we're going to pop our popcorn, and then we're going to pour it in a big bowl, and then we're going to take those 3 ingredients, and we're going to mix it all up, and then we're going to eat. And you know, I think this, you could put other things on top of the popcorn for flavoring too. Like when I lived in Holland, people put sugar on their popcorn. Wow. I think that tastes kind of weird, but you could put cinnamon or other flavors on it. But the Parmesan cheese is good. And the nutritional flakes make it taste like it's barbecued.
It's going to make me jump.
It's going to make you jump, like jump up like popcorn popping?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, how's that? Oh, there's...
Okay, so we just heard it pop. Okay, so now we're going to pour the popcorn in. Because we don't want it to... That's it. And then we're going to shake it a little bit. We want oil to coat all of the popcorn.
It smells good.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put them in here.
That's right. When it's all finished popping, we're going to...
Okay, so we're almost done with the popcorn. And if you have a question why the lid's tilted, because the popcorn is
going to push up the lid.
It's in it, like right there.
Yeah, you can see it coming up already.
It's coming.
There it is coming. It's going to be a lot of popcorn, but it's still popping, so I can't take this, turn it off yet.
It's like it doesn't want to turn off. Wow.
Check this out. Look over there. Ta-da!
It's still popping.
That's right.
So then we have to get the bowl.
So why don't you choose one of our big bowls?
Excuse me, Papa.
Absolutely.
So we're going to use this big blue bowl.
Whoa.
Okay, let's do it on the surface.
Let's start there. And then we want to put our other ingredients on there?
Yes. But then we're going to refill it and put it in.
Well, we only have time, so you want to pour those in? Sticky, huh?
Use your finger. There we go.
Okay, then the next ingredient is Parmesan. And the last ingredient is the natural flakes.
Right? You want to stir them up for us? Yes. I think we need to get a chef's hat for her next time.
She's good in the kitchen.
Don't want it to overflow. It smells good.
When kids get involved with food and making healthy snacks, it's so
Isn't that?
and
Yeah.
The stuff at the bottom.
because it uses so much talent.
Well, it's a good usage there.
Lots of skills.
Yep. All right. Shall we scoop it up?
A little bit more stirring. We stuff it out at the bottom so we can't really mix it.
Right. You're doing a good job.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. Just because we've got more. Remember the pot was so full we couldn't put it all together, so. There we go. And I think it's time to go to the movies, don't you? You want to go to the movies with us?
Sure.
Okay. That's our
That's a
healthy
space.
popcorn.